एमडी गेट 2025 26 अक्टूबर के फिजिक्स के आंसर की मैं आपसे शेयर करता हूँ। चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहला एमसीक्यू है आपका, द एंगल फॉर्म्ड एट द सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्कल एज अ बॉडी मूव्स फ्रॉम वन पोजीशन टू अनदर इज। इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए, एंगुलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट। नेक्स्ट है 128, ड्यूरिंग द ड्रिलिंग ऑफ अ मेटल सरफेस द ड्रिल बिट हिट्स अप, this hits come from the option B, work done against friction is the right answer. 129, if 2 joule of work is done in moving 2 coulomb of charge from one point to other in an electric field, the potential difference between the point is, option A is the correct answer, 1 volt. नेक्स्ट 130 नंबर पे एमसीक्यूज है आपका, द मोशन ऑफ अ ट्रांसफर वेव इन्वॉल्व पार्टिकल वाइब्रेशन। ऑप्शन सी, परपेंडिकुलर टू द वेव ऑफ प्रोगेशन इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट है 131, इन लेमिनार फ्लो फ्लूइड इट्स एडजेसेंट लेयर्स। ऑप्शन सी, स्लाइड स्मूथली पास ईच अदर इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट है 132 पर, अ बॉडी मूविंग इन अ सर्कल हाफ रेवोल्यूशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेडियन इज इक्विवेलेंट टू। ऑप्शन ए, पाई इज द करेक्ट आंसर। 133 पर एमसीक्यूज है, इफ ए इक्वल्स टू ए आई प्लस बी जे एंड बी इक्वल्स टू 4 ब्रैकेट ए आई माइनस बी जे, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी इक्वल टू। ऑप्शन डी, 0 विल बी योर राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज है 134, a proton and a alpha particle enter the same magnitude with equal speeds. Compared to proton, the alpha particle path will have. Option A, larger radius will be your right answer. MCQs 135, an electron is projected along the positive x-axis in a magnetic field lying in xz plane. The magnetic force on the electron will act along the. Option D, y-axis will be your right answer. MCQ 136, the magnetic flux through a loop of 1 square meter in a 0.5 Tesla magnetic field is same as magnetic flux through a loop of 0.5 square meter in magnetic field of. Option A, 1 Tesla at 0 degree will be your right answer. 137 पे MCQ है, a body of mass 10 kg is falling through a viscous medium and reach terminal velocity. The net force on the body will be Newton. Option A will be your right answer. MCQs है 138 पर, the value of temperature coefficient of a conductor is 0. This indicates that with the rise in temperature, resistance of conductor. Option C, remain same will be your right answer. MCQs 139, the path difference between two sound waves coming from a coherent source of wavelength 50 cm at a point is 100 cm. The superposition of the wave at that point produces. Option C, loudness is your right answer. 140, potential energy decreases in the process of releasing a stretch spring will be your right answer. 141, a diver of mass m is swimming at a depth h below the sea level. If the reference level is taken at sea level, the gravitational potential energy of the diver is minus mgh. Option C will be your right answer. 142, a constant force Fx on a body and displaces it by distance del d in a time del t. The rate at which force is doing work is. Option A, F multiplied del d upon del t. 43, in circular motion, if angular displacement is kept constant, decreasing the radius will. Option A, increase linear displacement. 4, when force and displacement are in opposite direction, then the work is said to be. Option B, negative will be your right answer. 145, in a step-up transformer, if the secondary voltage is increased by a factor of 10, the current in secondary coil will be. Option B, 10 times lower than primary current. When a droplet reaches terminal velocity, its acceleration is. Option A, 0. 147, Newton's original formula underestimated speed of sound in air because he. Option B, assumed isothermal. 148, the point where the electric field is 0 between two opposite charges lies. Option A, closer to the positive charge. 149, consider these two vectors, A equals to 2i plus 3j and vector B equals to minus 6i plus 4j. The angle between these two vectors is. Option C, 120 degree. A displacement time graph is a straight line inclined up at an angle of 45 degree with x-axis. Velocity of body according to this graph is. Option C, constant. 151, a 150 kilogram car has its velocity reduced from 20 meter per second to 10 meter per second in 3 seconds. How large was the average retarding force? Option C, 1500 Newton. 52, the phenomena of interference of sound waves require. Option B, two coherent sources. 3. A gas expands from 1 cubic meter to 3 cubic meter at a constant pressure of 2 Pascal. Work done is option B 4 joule. 154. The frequency of AC is doubled, the inductive reactance will option C be doubled. 155. The force between two charges is 28 Newton in vacuum. If paraffin wicks of relative permittivity 2.8 is introduced between the charge as a medium, then the force reduces to option D 10 Newton. 156. A body moves along a semicircular path of radius 10 meter from one end to the diameter of other. The ratio of distance displacement is option C pi ratio 2. 157. A body is projected with speed v making an angle theta with the horizontal and covers horizontal range r. If its speed is doubled, the new range will be option D 4r. 158. A ball of mass m strikes a wall and rebounds with the same speed in the opposite direction. Taking the initial direction as positive, the change of the momentum of the ball will be option C minus 2 mv. 159. A point lies 3 meter from a 5 microcoulomb charge and a 4 meter from a 3 microcoulomb charge. The most appropriate direction of the net electric field at this point is directed away from 5 microcharge. Option A. Last 3 MCQs. 160. The increase in kinetic energy associated with decreased pressure of a fluid in a horizontal pipe is a consequence of the option A Bernoulli principle. 161. The electric field at a point due to the point charge is 200 Newton per coulomb. If suppose a minus 4 coulomb test charge is placed at that point, then magnitude of electric field and electric force on it if option C 200 Newton per coulomb and 800 Newton. Last MCQs. 162. Internal resistance reduces the terminal voltage because it causes power loss inside the battery. मेरे साथ ही केमिस्ट्री और बायोलॉजी के MCQ भी सॉल्व कर दिए, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैंने अपलोड कर दिए हैं.